We're following some new developments in the Capitol Jewish Museum shooting case tonight. Prosecutors are now considering the death penalty for Elias Rodriguez. He is the Chicago man accused of gunning down a couple outside the museum back in May. Our Rafael Sanchez Cruz has more from D.C. federal court.
D.C.'s U.S. Attorney Jeanine Pirro says ultimately it will be the Attorney General who will determine whether she can proceed with the death penalty against Elias Rodriguez. Hours after a grand jury indicted the alleged Capitol Jewish Museum shooter, D.C.'s U.S. Attorney Jeanine Pirro announced the case is under review to potentially seek the death penalty against Elias Rodriguez.
We are starting the process. We've made no decision yet.
The 31-year-old is now facing 9 counts, including first-degree murder and hate crime resulting in death.
He murdered Yaron Levchinsky and Sarah Milgram because of his bias against the people of Israel. He demonstrated this hatred through his words, death to Israel.
Court documents indicate Rodriguez fired 21 shots and that he targeted the soon-to-be engaged couple because of
actual and or perceived national origin.
Pirro pointing out today the attack on 26-year-old Sarah Milgram,
who was particularly vulnerable due to infirmity. Hate has no place, but justice will rule.
When asked if the victim's family supported the death penalty, Pirro responded,
"They will have an opportunity and a right to put their input into what decision is ultimately made."
Rodriguez was expected to be in court tomorrow, but that hearing has since been suspended. In the district, Rafael Sanchez Cruz, WUSA 9.
Some of you may be wondering how prosecutors can seek the death penalty in this case. It's been outlawed in D.C. since the 80s. The federal government can seek capital punishment for certain crimes committed in D.C., like the murder of a foreign official. Levchinsky and Milgram both worked at the Israeli embassy. And as Rafa mentioned, Attorney General Pam Bondi will make the final decision about pursuing the death penalty.